Manila is the capital city, Dakddkel from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Sabuti, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the North, Batac, Paris, Ilocos, Norte, Saan, Cagayan Valley, Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahawa, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the three provinces of Davao, Davao Sur, Davao del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulok, Tawi-Tawi. Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi, tungkol sa Marleyte, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahawa, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the three provinces of Davao, Davao Sur, Davao del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulok, Tawi-Tawi. Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.
Thank you so much, Manang Shirley, Julian. Daya po, Yoyo'y Villame dito yung Annak-ti Batac Association of Hong Kong. Once again, thank you. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our founding chairman of the Confederation of Ilocano Association. Please welcome Mr. Joey Ortega from La Union po. And of course, we have here the president of the CIA in the person of Madam Claire Apilado, La Union. And of course, our President of Balaweñas Association in the person of Miss Mila Agtaraf from La Union. Thank you so much for coming.
We come to the other part of the program. The candidates in their environmentally friendly chic attire.
Sir, siya po na kami tayo mga pagkakin. Ano kami?
Ladies and gentlemen, we want to acknowledge the presence of the Visayas Alliance of Hong Kong.
Ay, kitang